Hello and welcome to the 3-day weather forecast. I am Paul Ugbah. In the past couple of days, we've seen fresh dust raised over the source region and transported into the country, where this has affected horizontal visibility in parts of the north, particularly over the northwestern parts of the country. As the days progress, we expect more of this dust to further cause a deterioration of horizontal visibility in parts of the north, and so for the rest of Thursday, we expect the north to be generally sunny and hazy, with horizontal visibility likely to be maintained between 3,000 meters and 10 kilometers. Partly cloudy conditions are expected over the central parts of the country and cloudy conditions over the inland cities, with prospects for thunderstorms around Calabar, Port Harcourt, Yenagoa, and Asaba areas. Lagos is expected to be cloudy. And maximum temperature on Thursday is expected to be highest at 40 degrees Celsius over Adamawa, Taraba. Sokoto is expected to be 38, and 40 degrees also is expected over Niger and Birnin Kebbi areas. For our nighttime temperature, we expect these values to range between 15 degrees Celsius over Jos to 25 degrees Celsius over Sokoto and Gusau areas. Daytime highs over the southern parts of the country are expected to range between 33 degrees Celsius over Lagos to 35 degrees Celsius around Obudu areas. For our air quality forecast on Thursday, because of the influx of dust, we expect places that appear in orange to have quality of air that is considered unhealthy for sensitive group of persons, while places that appear in yellow are expected to have a moderate air quality index that does not pose any serious threat to the health of persons living around these areas. By Friday, we expect moderate dust haze to prevail in most parts of the country and sunny conditions, especially over the northern parts. We expect a further deterioration of horizontal visibility because of the dust that is expected to be transported into this region. Partly cloudy conditions are expected over the central parts of the country and cloudy over the inland areas, with prospects for thunderstorms around Yenagoa, Port Harcourt, and also Ibadan and Lagos areas. We expect maximum temperature forecast to drop slightly over the northeast from 40 to 39 degrees Celsius during the day, and other places in the north are expected to experience daytime highs between 35 degrees Celsius and 38 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures are expected to range between 16 degrees Celsius in Jos to 27 degrees Celsius over Sokoto, and less than this value in other parts of the north. Over the southern parts of the country, we expect daytime highs to range between 33 degrees Celsius over Lagos and Ibadan areas to higher values of 34 degrees Celsius in other parts of the south. For our air quality forecast on this day, we expect the dust transported into the country to affect the northeastern parts of the country and keep the quality of air over this area unhealthy for sensitive group of persons, while places that appear in yellow are expected to have moderate air quality index, which is not likely to pose any threat to the health of persons living in all of these places. By Saturday, we expect thick dust haze over most parts of the north and sunny conditions as well. Cloudy conditions as we move towards the inland cities, with prospects for thunderstorms over the southeast and southwest coast as well as Asaba areas. For our air quality maximum temperature forecast on Saturday, we expect temperature values over the north to range between 29 degrees Celsius in Jos to 39 degrees Celsius over Sokoto, while other places in the north are expected to have a maximum daytime high between 36 degrees Celsius and 39 degrees Celsius. We expect the central parts to have daytime highs between the range of 35 to 37 degrees Celsius, while night temperatures are expected over the north to range between 17 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. In the south, we expect maximum daytime highs to range between 32 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures are expected to range between 21 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. This is where we'll conclude our 3 days weather forecast for today. Thanks for watching and see you again.